How to follow people on Roblox. In this video, I'll show you how to follow people on Roblox. So, to get started, go ahead and open Roblox into your device. So, you can follow people on Roblox both on the applications such as the web application, the mobile application, and your PC application of Roblox. So, in here, to be able to follow a specific user, go ahead and use the search bar to look for that user. So, go ahead and enter the username of that user into the section. And then from this drop down, go ahead and search for this username under the people section, and that will take you in here. So in here you'll be able to find the people result for this specific username. So if you're not yet following this specific individual, you'll be able to find a follow button in here instead of a join button. So click on that follow button, and then a connection request would be sent to that specific individual, and then that specific individual should accept your connection request to be able to be friends or have connection for that specific individual on Roblox. So that is how you can basically follow people on Roblox.